Hi everyone, welcome back to my first YouTube video. I'm Dakota Mills and this is my best friend. And I'm going to be doing her makeup for a back to school tutorial. Something simple that you can wear to school and still look like you're getting ready to slay bitches. So. Okay guys, now we're back to the makeup portion. I'm going to be taking this Mineral Infused Hydrating e.l.f. Face Primer. This is going to, girl, this is going to keep your makeup in all day. You can, it's hard to explain what you can. Damn. Okay.
You need to be a little easier. Your clients are not gonna like that.
Move. Lay down. I just pulled up. Okay, and then next we're going. Now we're going to be going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in soft beige. I'm keeping that in.
God, the music's in the background.
That's gonna be okay. All the music in the background. So much for simple. And then we're just gonna blend that out using a beauty blender. Just blending that out, making it look seamless. Okay, and then once you've got that blended, we're going to be going in with some setting powder so that stuff can stay locked in place, girl. I love this powder. Now we're just going to set the face. Nothing too much, some to just lock it in place and make it look seamless.
You say, do you love me? I said, the only part, the only on my bed and my mom, I'm sorry.
Next, I'm going to be taking this Avon setting powder. And I'm going to be using this under the eye to brighten the eye a little bit. JB Cosmetics. I normally like to take the bronzer onto the temple and then in like an E shape. So I'm going to spray this e.l.f. Illuminating Mist and Set just to soak all the powder in. I'm going to take the Beauty Blender, really stamp that in, make sure it's locked, glazed, set, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to be taking this Morphe eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to be taking some of that foundation onto the eye to act as an eye base. And you know, you could use concealer or even, you know, just an actually regular eye primer. Whatever works best for you. And I'm actually not going to set this. We're just going to go ahead and put eyeshadow on. Okay, and now I'm going to be taking this shade right here. That's called Lit. And I'm just going to take this small e.l.f. blending brush. I'm going to be taking that Lit shade on the outer corner. On the outer corner, into the crease a bit, not a lot. And whatever left on that brush, you can sweep into the inner corner to give the inner corner some shade. Color, you can say even. Blending that to the top. Try not to get any on the lid. We're going to put a shimmer there. Shade called Foxy. Right there. some shimmer, some sparkle. It's very simple. And doing the same thing on the other eye.
Okay, chick, well, I'll let you out here. I just call her at you. Okay, I'll take care right now. Perfect. All right, darling. Thank you. Love you.
Was that Missy?
Yeah.
Mom,
What?
we're doing a makeup tutorial. You want to be in it?
No.
Why?
Close up and stuff.
Hang on a minute. This is coming online.
I'm just taking a bone color and putting it in the inner corner.
What? Take what?
Take your bone colors to work. Just gonna comb through that. She already has a nice brow shape, so this makes it real easier. Love that.
What about my mom? She went, hey, you don't do that. That's mine, Mommy. I cleaned up my closet.
Are you talking in recording?
Mm-hmm. Keep it in there.
Yes.
Yes, Mommy, put it on my bed.
How? Mama, you cussed in it. You cussed in it.
Thanks. Only 2 subscribers and I'd be demoted.
Oh, it's on it. My eyebrows.
I don't have to do anything to it. I'm already in a good shape, so. I'm just gonna go back to the e.l.f. setting spray, mist. Sexy mother pucker.
Yes, you can. We have an app.
Check that out. And now, still finishing the lip gloss.
What was that?
Okay guys, this concludes this senior back to school makeup tutorial. I hope y'all really enjoyed it. And if you like this and want to see more, please like and subscribe.
Nice.